friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist, all about mental health. On this channel, I talk all about reselling online. I've been reselling on eBay for 10 years. I know that because my son Torvald just turned 10 and I started out selling all his baby clothes. That's how this whole thing kind of got started. I started making a lot more money than I could spend on more baby clothes for him, and it grew into a business, and now it's a side hustle with some part-time income that I love. I'm so happy right now because I've got an iced coffee that I made with my amazing espresso maker. It's linked in the description below, and an entire box, oops, that shook the camera, and an entire box of Victoria's Secret pink items from Jomar. Yeah. I should tell you, or maybe warn you is the right word, that I put the bloopers at the end of the video. So if you need a few laughs and you like to see me just being a total blooper maker, stay till the end of the video and we can laugh and have some fun at the bloopers. Found the invoice. Okay, this is the pink Victoria's Secret Women's Pre-Loved, 10 pieces, but I got 2 friends. So this box of 10 is cheap. It only goes for $59.99 for 10 pieces, plus I had a discount. Always use a discount code. Mine is The Grateful Queen. It's all one word, and that gives you a discount. And then shipping. Now shipping is going to be a little tricky because I bought 3 different boxes. And so this invoice has, unfortunately, all of them. So I'll put up on the math, given shipping, what I think I paid for each item in this box.
Okay, all right, yeah.
I bought this stuff to resell on eBay and Poshmark. I got this box before, about 1.5 years ago. That video is also up on the channel, and I made a lot of money on the box because the cost of goods I remember being pretty low, just a few dollars each, and I sold a lot of that stuff. So I'll share what I've learned about selling Victoria's Secret pink with you. I like to share lots of keywords. I like to share comps so that you're watching this unboxing from Jomar Wholesale and you're learning some things. And if you decide to go over to Jomar and buy some stuff, please consider using my discount code, The Grateful Queen, all one word, for you get a discount. I'm an affiliate, I earn points, so I really, really appreciate anyone who uses my code. Okay, so I'm not going to show you every single tag, but this is the Victoria's Secret pink. Sometimes you'll just see pink, pink, pink. This is a sweatshirt, so right away that's great because I can usually get $20 to $30 for a sweatshirt. This is bright pink, neon pink, it's got a pocket, and then it says pink on the front. The back is pretty plain. This was a pre-owned box, so sometimes when you get a pre-owned box from Jomar Wholesale or any wholesale company, there might be a few issues on clothing. I just expect that. But the things with the big spell out like this sell the best. This is a pair of Victoria's Secret pink leggings, but I can tell right away these are not in good shape. I won't be able to sell these. Too bad, they're cute. Black skinny leggings, but they've got, you know, it looks like some paint or something on there, so I'm going to put those in a wash pile. I'll give it a try, but those aren't looking promising. This is super cute. I don't give a frap. I hope I have this right. This is like a raglan tee or a baseball tee. When it has this sleeve, the sleeve is called raglan, and it's got this saying on it, and it's super oversized, which makes me think Victoria's Secret pink. Is it like a sleep shirt? Size medium? Super cute. I will note in my listing that it's oversized. Let me know in the comments, do you put measurements on your eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Depop? Just what I need, more coffee. I'm not animated enough, right? I always put measurements when I sell things online, friends, because I am a irregular size. I'm like a curvy woman. I can't just buy small, medium, or large. I need to know the measurement across the chest and hips and waist and inseam, so I always put that in personally. Okay, so this is Victoria's Secret pink. I keep saying it, but we all know it's all Victoria's Secret pink. This one is extremely plain. It's an awesome color. I love this teal color. It looks great on everybody, but it has no spell out. It has no, does it even have the little, it's got the little dog embroidery. Whatever, this is like their little logo there, like a little embroidered dog. So, but no, if you want to sell this, say you're out sourcing and you're like, oh, Quemby said she does pretty well selling Victoria's Secret. The blingier, the better. The more rhinestones, the more sequins, the more spell outs, the better. Like this one is pretty good. Pink Ultimate. Oh, this is a collab with Fifth and Ocean. So that's what this tag looks like. And this is a track jacket. It's like a silky track jacket. And then on the side it says Love Pink Florida Gators. So this is specific to Florida. It's got a little bit of wear on the spell out there, but spell outs are good. So this will have to be specifically for somebody who's a Florida fan. All right, next up, we've got a lightweight hooded sweatshirt that says pink across the front. This one's got a little bit of pilling on it, and it's missing the drawstring. So these are all things that I will note. I have the best D-pillar sweater shaver. I link all my favorite tools that I use in my business in the description section below. They're Amazon affiliate links, and I only put stuff there that I think are a good deal, that they're worth what they cost, and I use them and like them. And my sweater shaver is the best. It's the best. It doesn't have a cord. You can recharge it. I really love it. Oh, look at this. This is fun and different. This is super cute, guys. It's an extra small, but it's really oversized. Look at this kind of neon yellow, very chunky knit sweater. So my title for this on eBay would be Victoria's Secret Pink Women's Extra Small Sweater. And then I would put chunky knit, V-neck cropped, and it's got like a balloon sleeve. And this is like super soft, you guys. So I put all those keywords in there. Ooh, what is this? Feels awesome. Okay, this is a size large, so that's really great. Usually the larger the size, the better. This is also like a fitness pullover, but it's got a lot of cool details. So it's got the pink around the neck, but then look at the back. It's all mesh. I'll put this on my mannequin so you can see these details. Now this is white, so it would surprise me if I don't find anything. I was checking to see if it has thumb holes, and it does. When I go to the gym, I love thumb holes. So I put that right in my title. And I would also put like mesh panel, thumb holes. And I will put this under my lights, and it looks pretty great to me, but white is tricky. And obviously, friends, like the jackets that I'm getting, those are going to sell for more. I usually sell those between $25 and $40 on eBay and Poshmark. And then the simpler things, though, sometimes like the simple plain top, I might only get like $10 plus shipping or $12. So depending on the item, is how much I'm going to make. But I'm really pleased that I'm getting like some track jackets, some pullovers, a sweater, and then this looks like another jacket. I'm seeing a stain on it, sadly, but so this is cool. This is what's called a funnel neck. So this is the neck. It's like a mock or cowl neck, but it's called a funnel. And this is another like sports sweatshirt with some really, really neon, like you're gonna see, if you're wearing this, maybe out running, they're gonna see you. But this, I did notice a flaw. It just looks like there's a little bit of staining here, so I will put that in my wash pile, and I will spray some Shout on it. That's like my first line of defense, and it's so easy and inexpensive, that Shout spray. I'll spray it, I'll leave it for like 24 hours, then I'll wash it. That gets most things out, friends. And then if I need to do like something else, like soak it or whatever, I decide from there. Look at this. This is a bra. So I don't know if this is all Victoria's Secret pink, correct? This is just Victoria's Secret, not pink. But I was asking because Victoria's Secret Sport, that's one of their lines, Sport. That one, things sell faster and for more, in my opinion. Like the sports bras from Victoria's Secret Sport do really well. This is a bra, and then it says Victoria's Secret in like studding. So that's pretty cool. Victoria's Secret bras sell. If you're interested in selling bras, I highly recommend it, especially if you can get them cheap by weight at a place like the Goodwill Outlet bins, or if you're at the thrift store and you're in that section at my thrift store, it's like pajamas, lingerie, slips, it's all in one section, bras, whatever. If you can get them, they're usually cheap. Like at the thrift store, it's not something they really mark up. So it's a pretty good flip. Bras are easy to store. They're easy to ship. So don't underestimate bras. Wow, look at this baby. This is a very heavyweight sweatshirt. Well, so this is what I'm talking about. This will probably sell for like $39.99. So look at the back. It's so blinged out. It's silver, but it's also rhinestones. Look at that bling. Peace, love, pink. It's got peace signs. This is a heavyweight. It's missing the drawstring. I'll just notice that. Why are so many sweatshirts missing the drawstring? Do people take them out? But other than that, the condition on this one's pretty good. It's very heavy. Look at the blingy rhinestone peace signs everywhere. Like, have you gone into the Victoria's Secret store at the mall? It's been years, but I've been in one of those, and I'm always like, my jaw drops at the prices in there. It's expensive, and it has a real following, so don't sleep on the Victoria's Secret pink, baby. Okay, this is a little t-shirt. It's got a white trim there, but other than that, pretty plain. I'll probably get like 10 bucks for that. Ooh, cute. These are some high-waisted bike shorts, so that's pretty cute. You can see that little dog there a little better. That's the Victoria's Secret, in case somebody like has cut out. These say yoga, Victoria's Secret yoga. These have a little bit of wear on them, but they look good. I have not sold the shorts before. I've sold leggings, sweatshirts, t-shirts, jackets, all sorts of stuff. This one just needs a little washy wash. Size small. This is a thermal knit, and it's kind of cropped, and then it's got pink down the arm. So that's probably like a good $12 to $20 right there. I always put things high, guys. I always like, here's a very simple pink rib top. Now this ribbing, see how this almost looks like 90s, is really popular right now. So this, normally this would be pretty inexpensive. I wouldn't make a lot of money on this because it's very plain. But I'm still going to price it high and leave room for offers. But this one I'm going to put in my title ribbed because the ribbing is really popular. And then look at the hem on this. I think this is called like a lettuce leaf hem or a cabbage leaf hem or something. It's so 90s. Like when I was in high school in the 90s, this trim was super popular and it's back again. So I'll make sure to let my customers know that it's got that hem. Ooh, this is tie-dye, so that's awesome. Ooh, this is cute. I like this one. Size medium. If you are a Victoria's Secret pink fan and you want to buy any of this stuff, just message me. If I haven't listed it yet, I can send you a PayPal invoice and I'll give you a great deal for my viewers. I always do that. Or my store and closet are linked in the description section below if you feel more comfortable ordering right from the online store. This must be a sleep shirt or something, or a dress. It's a tie-dye dress, and then it says pink on it, just like in some cursive. But you guys know tie-dye is like super popular right now. Okay, this is size extra small, but this is crazy big. Oh my, it's super soft cropped t-shirt. And here is a, oh, this one's cute. Simple, but this is another cropped one. Of course, cropped is popular. And then it has the knotted front detail on there. Ooh, this is cute too. It's like a burnout. So it is a very lightweight top with the spell out pink. So I call this a burnout.
Not I call it, because I didn't like coin the term burnout. It's what it's called.
So I'll put that in my title. So for this, I would put Victoria's Secret pink women's top, extra small, cropped, burnout, and then I'd probably put like tee or t-shirt, blue, lightweight. Okay, cool. I got some leggings, so that's awesome. And these are size small, and they're a very high-waisted black skinny legging. Perfect. And they have, the cell phone pocket. This is so hot right now. Like, you get the leggings that are high-rise, and then there's a pocket on the side big enough to like stick your phone. So these are definitely like a modern piece. Super cute high rise. These look really good condition too. So there you go. A whole bunch of Victoria's Secret pink for me to list on eBay and Poshmark. What do you guys think? Do you sell this brand? What did you think of this box? Have you checked out Jomar? Check them out and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye bye, bye bye, bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. Okay. All right. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got a box of stuff. Now I gotta figure out how to get it over closer to me. Oops. Is that good? I've been talking a lot today. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm fired up. I did Zumba this morning, and on the days that I go, I just find that I'm like dee all day, kind of like doing my business. When you sell online on eBay or Poshmark or Depop, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, if you sell to Thredup, well, that doesn't really apply here because I was asking about measurements. I'll probably just cut this whole part out. Yeah. Is my invoice in here? I hope so. I don't see it though. It's weird. They usually put, I see this thank you card from them. Where's the invoice? I don't see it. I'm gonna have to look it up. Depop. Depop. It went so quick. This went really quick. Is my invoice down here? Oh, it is. Okay, good. So I can add this in. But, like a comfy top like this just to go to Zumba or yoga, why not? But you're not going to catch me in a big spell out with pink across the butt of my sweatpants. But if you do that, that's awesome. No, that was definitely not what I meant to say. No.